Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error, which is the following components are required to run this program, DirectX Runtime, here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to bring up any of our browser that is present here in our Windows or computer. So you can use the Google Chrome, a Microsoft Edge, a Mozilla Firefox, a Brave browser, or whatever browser which is installed or you are using here in your Windows. Okay, just have to open it and use the search bar and type for DirectX user runtime. Okay, the moment you have typed it, just have to click on enter so that you would be redirected to the list of results. Okay, so once you are here, you can see a very first option, which is DirectX User Runtime Web Installer under the Microsoft.com website. Just have to click on it and wait until you are being redirected here. Okay, so here you'd be able to see DirectX and User Runtime Web Installer, okay? Where it asks you to select language that you'd prefer or that you would understand. Okay, just have to click this down arrow and choose your language that you prefer. Okay, in my case, I'll be going to English since it is the universal language and basically I would be able to understand such and most of us would be able to understand English. Okay, so just have to choose the language that you'd like and that you'd understand or that you prefer. And the moment you have selected it, proceed on clicking this download option. Okay. So here it says done. Just have to click this arrow icon. Okay. And wait until you are being redirected to this user account control will ask you to say yes. Okay, so proceed on yes so that you'd be able to proceed on the installing of this Microsoft DirectX R. Okay, now here you need to close this browser so that you can focus in this small window where it asks you to agree on the license terms and the conditions. Just have to click on I accept the agreement and then click on next and then uncheck this install the Bing bar and then click on next. Okay, so now it is installing components. Just have to wait until it will be done. Okay, and it's now initializing. Just have to wait until it will be installed in our Windows R computer. Okay. So it says here installation complete. DirectX setup has determined that a newer equivalent version of DirectX has been installed already. No installation is necessary. You just have to click on finished and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.